I think the time has come, and that may require some constitutional amendment, for a system to be worked out where the Chancellor and the Chief Justice are appointed from day one.
That was senior counsel and attorney at law Stanley Moore during an interview conducted by 90 News recently calling for the appointment of the 2 female judges. Just recently, civil society called Article 13 for the immediate confirmation of Chancellor of the Judiciary Yonette Cummings Edwards and the Chief Justice Roxanne, noting that the onus is on President Irfan Ali to initiate the process. The group, which was formed last year, stated that it was dismayed that successive administrations, presidents, and leaders of the opposition have not been able to agree on these appointments and have been unresponsive to calls to address this egregious state of affairs. In the recent past, many persons have deemed the non-appointment of these critical members of the judiciary as unconstitutional, pointing to the need for urgent reform in this area. Senior counsel Moore, while lauding the Minister of Legal Affairs and Attorney General Anand for his relentless clamor for constitutional reform in Guyana, admitted that the Guyana constitution, like any other constitution in the world, can be difficult to decipher. Nevertheless, it is wise for Guyanese to not make preemptive judgments without facts.
But up to this day, there are great difficulties in having some consensus as to what the Constitution means.
Justice Cummings Edwards and Justice Roxanne were respectively appointed Acting Chancellor of the Judiciary and Chief Justice back in 2016 and 2017, weeks after the retirement of then Acting Chancellor Karl Singh, who was never confirmed despite having served for 12 years. Guyana has not had a confirmed Chancellor for 17 years, which has attracted strong criticism, recently from Justice Adrian Saunders, the President of the Caribbean Court of Justice. Article 13 reminded that Guyana's success will depend on good governance, adherence to the rule, and strengthening of the nation's political culture. It will also require addressing equally pressing matters like the woefully inadequate number of judges in the High Court and the Court of Appeal. The civil society group added that the recent batch of judges appointed under the APNU-AFC coalition has performed commendably, and fear that the pool is empty may not be accurate. This is Antonia Day reporting for HCP 19 News.